Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Panasonic P95 with 1GB RAM, Face Unlock launched in India. Panasonic on Monday unveiled its latest P-series smartphone in India, the P95. The company says that the Panasonic P95 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 processor and comes with 4G VoLTE support. The entry-level smartphone has been priced at Rs 4,999. However, all new Panasonic P95 will be available at a discounted price of Rs 39.99 at the Flipkart Big Shopping Day sale starting from May 13 to May 16. It has been launched in blue, gold, and dark grey color variants. At this price point, the Panasonic P95 will be competing against handsets from Xiaomi and others. The Panasonic P95 comes with zero shutter lag, meaning images are captured without delay. It has a professional mode that controls exposure and a red eye reduction feature as well. With auto scene detection mode, the phone camera automatically adjusts to the background conditions, the company claims. Interestingly, the smartphone comes with face and voice recognition features as well. Pankaj Rana, business head, Mobility Division, Panasonic India said, "The price point at which it is available, we are confident that it will be a success with the millennials, without being heavy on their pockets." Panasonic P95 specifications. The dual-SIM Panasonic P95 runs Android 7.1.2 Nougat and sports a 5-inch HD, 720x1280, display. The smartphone is powered by a quad-core Snapdragon 210 processor clocked up to 1.3 GHz and is equipped with 1GB of RAM. In terms of optics, the Panasonic 95 bears an 8-megapixel camera at the back, with autofocus and LED flash. At the front, there is a 5-megapixel camera for selfies. The smartphone comes with 16GB of inbuilt storage, expandable via microSD card, up to 128GB. Connectivity options in the Panasonic 95 are 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1, GPS, and FM. Sensors on board are an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and proximity sensor. The smartphone is fueled by a 2300 mAh battery and weighs 164 grams. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.